everyone, I'm Abby Andrew and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a sneak peek on some of the brand new Amore Collection wigs coming out this year. I'm going to be showing you two of the new styles, and there are going to be some other ones that you'll see. And if you want to learn more information on these wigs, then check out our website, reneofparis.com, to learn more about all the new wigs with the new Amore Collection, and to check out the catalog, which is just coming out. So I will be showing you two of the new Amore Collection wigs, starting with this one, which is Ori in the color Rose Gold R. This is a really beautiful, sleek bob, but it just has this kind of elegance to it that I think could work both ways. It can kind of go for more of a professional look, or it can go for a more youthful look depending on how you style it. This wig does have a lace front and a monofilament top, so you can really change the part however way you want. So when it first comes, it has a side part, but of course with the monofilament top, you can just part that in the middle if you wanted to, or you could part it on the other side, and the hairline will still look very realistic. What I like a lot about the lace front on this wig is that it really allows you to kind of brush the hair back for that just natural kind of tousled look. This wig is about shoulder length, and it's about the same length all the way around. But it's just long enough that you could put it in a cute ponytail if you wanted to. And even though some of the front pieces kind of fall forward if they don't reach the ponytail, I think that kind of creates this cute casual look with some of the pieces in the front falling forward. The sleekness of this hairstyle also kind of calls for a headband. I think this is a really nice look. With shorter wigs, you can't do as much as far as putting it in ponytails, putting it in braids and all that, but you can do so much with simple accessories like headbands, hair clips, and things like that. And a nice way that you can style this wig without using any hair accessories at all is that you can take the very front of the bangs and kind of tuck that piece behind your ear, like so, and then let the layer above it fall on top of that. And it almost creates like a natural headband and just kind of keeps the bangs out of your face if you ever want to keep the hair out of your face while you're doing work one day. So this is definitely a very manageable and sleek style. Now for those of you who like some of the longer wigs from the Amore Collection, this new style will definitely be a winner for you. This is the style Royce in a relatively new color, Milk Tea LR. This color is a really luscious brown, but I feel like this brunette is just so rich. Both Ori and Royce feature the same type of wig cap with the single monofilament and the lace front. The wig Royce almost reminds me of Angelica if Angelica was part of the Amore Collection. So if you're not familiar with Angelica, that is a style from the Noriko Collection, which is really voluminous and really gorgeous. And this one is almost like a slightly toned down version of that, but still very glamorous and very beautiful, with these very slight, delicate waves. With that lace front and monofilament cap, this wig also has that very realistic looking hairline that you can part however you want. So with longer wigs like this one, you can do a lot more as far as putting it in hair ties and different hair accessories. So just to show you a couple of the very basic styles, let me show you how it looks in a ponytail. This wig also features some shorter layers in the front that kind of create this face framing layer even if you tie the rest of the hair back. The half ponytail is also one of my favorite styles to make a wig look a little bit more casual, and I think that looks really cute on this wig as well. And just for fun, here is how the wig looks in low pigtails. Royce is definitely a fantastic new long option with the Amore Collection, with that really realistic looking hairline, the lace front, and also just a very manageable style. If you're not familiar with the Amore line is a line of synthetic wigs geared specifically towards people with hair loss, so they're designed to be very comfortable on a bare head and also to look very realistic for people who do want that extra realistic looking hairline and part. So of course the Amore line isn't only for people with hair loss, however it is particularly geared towards people who are dealing with hair loss, so that it's just extra comfortable and extra realistic with that monofilament top. So comment below which of these two styles you like, if you think you would be interested in getting either of these, and let me know what you think about these colors as well. I am a really big fan of this Milk Tea LR color. So beautiful and just so rich. Thank you all so much for watching this video today, and we will see you in the next one.